Hello, my fellow humanoids. Welcome to the procrastination. Let's start with the waste of time by playing a little bit of War Thunder. If I can get my gear in order here. I noticed that my sound was a little bit off last time. Perhaps I'm just mumbling like I used to. Anyways, let's get the shit show down the road. And I'm your local shit show supervisor, Mr. No, goddamn not Mr. Pels Fundamentals, the dude. Okay. We like to go to sea or went from this direction, definitely. It always seems to, when you're entering from 7 to 4 on this map, the opposing teams wins. Oh, this is beautiful. Is it 2000? Okay, this is, we have to remind ourselves, this is realistic battle, and where are they going? This is, and we do not, how do you say, the goal is not to bloody rush and die fast. Dying is not rushing, huh? Look at that. I think I can see something here. If I can look, bloody hell, this makes me nervous.
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
He was like
Enemy forces have captured a zone.
Oh no, this. What the hell is my PZ doing? God damn it, you. You take the cake. He is the approximately there.
Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten.
Oh my god.
4. Zerschlagen.
Foxtrot, 4. Bestätige Koordinaten.
Yeah, I know you're trying to work.
Panzer. 11 Uhr.
Stick your head out,
600 Meter.
pretty boy. Huh? Yes. Yeah, there you are. Oh my
The
god.
enemy is winning.
Oh, this, hold my mouse a little bit lighter. I'm like pushing it down on the table and I don't move it. There you are. Oh, just a risk.
Attention to the designated grid zone.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Attention to the designated grid square.
Yeah. You know.
Attention to the
Who's the idiot? I'm the idiot. King idiot. I need a sip of water. Oh, aggravated already, huh? USA. USA. Anyways, we was last at least a couple of hours in gaming today because soon, I have to do that adult thing called work. And what's the time? Oh, 12:13. I got no time to procrastinate. Get you this time. Look at that. That weasel. Little that good. Oh my god. He murdered my weasel guy. Okay, he's probably. Where are you? Oh my god. So bloody good, those tanks. Unbelievable, huh? That's like a brr on
If we don't do something fast,
tracks.
the enemy will win.
Like that. Again? The art of failure. Okay. No. Nothing on the splash. Where are you? Where are you? Even aggravated you know, sometimes you need to oh, everybody dies. Better not pop our head up. Okay, what to do? Ah, we haven't lost those shit, so always just like this in the first couple of battles. First 10, 20 battles, you always lose a lot. There he is. Can you see it? He was right there. But now he's behind here. And now there. Hell.
Ziel beschädigt!
Uh-oh. Yeah. I got that non-penetrating. I will take the looks out. I'm actually having the looks. But it's difficult to level this little bastard. How many of them are there? I want that tank. Show me, show me. It's hard to be a Nissa man. Okay. Skip that to the hangar. Just check the video. Yeah, picking nose there. Excellent. So, my reading glasses are fucking up. Yeah, the true warrior. My backpack is loaded with plus 1.5 glasses. Yeah. What's that? Loading content. Is that special Putin stuff? Like 12 megabytes, or many megabytes, huh? Okay, let's see if we have some crew trainings here. Nope. 9. How can I when there is no winning involved in playing this game? It's still ground realistic battles. Perhaps I will pop off and do some arcade US. I was playing that. That has somewhat rejuvenated my my lust for the game, so to speak. And because it's actually bloody fun playing the level 1-2 tanks, rank 1-2 tanks, rushing and dying. And this is my favorite hate shit map. Normally, I think I have blocked this one out when I
Klar machen zum Gefecht.
Kraftfahrer bereit. Richtschütze bereit.
Shit, they're coming out right there, huh? Somewhere there.
Sorry.
No? Jesus. Do not take the Lord's name up in vain. Oh, my childhood upbringing must have been. Okay, jeez, got the blind side. Got them. It's like this is too oh jeez, they could be waiting. Could be. It's possible. Right. Can't see shit.
Allied forces have captured a zone.
Recon reports enemy spotted.
Most of the strategic zones are captured.
Wir wurden getroffen.
Oh, from the side.
Triebe ausgefallen. Es brennt. Seitenrichtertrieb ausgefallen. Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Echo. 2. Zerschlagen.
Echo! So! Bestätige Koordinaten! Abgefasst! Abgefeuert!
Yeah, on my.
Attention to the map. We're winning.
Nebel laden.
Attention to the designated grid square. Attention to the map.
Vorladungsgranate laden.
Attention to the designated grid square. Attention to the map.
Achtung! Artillerieschlag!
Okay, I'm sorry for the lack of
Captured most of the strategic zones.
speaking, because that's just because I'm old, you know. Shouldn't be playing video games, actually. Oh, Jesus Christ, that's not that. But the good part is, they are slowly dying. So if I cannot lift my goddamn hands out of my
Ziel abgeschaltet.
Mercy.
he's in the river. Who died? My friend died.
Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Echo. 3. Zerschlagen. Echo! 3. Bestätige Koordinaten. Aufgefasst. Abgefeuert.
Thank you very much. Just keep it up, and victory will be ours.
My
Wir
crap.
wurden getroffen.
Enemy forces have captured a zone. Defend the B point.
Somebody, oh Jesus, what's that? Aircraft. Pokey pokey. Never got the range. You know, I'm so out of touch now, getting the range correctly. and lifting up at 750.
Vorwärts, Marsch!
Verstanden!
Getting scouted all the way in, and then again I need to speak properly and clearly for people to hear me, otherwise this is just a waste of good lowest numbers. I'm actually doing this to practice my fluid, how fluid I can be. Oh, did you see that? I saw that, and they saw me. Probably they're right behind here.
Getroffen! Ziel zerstört!
Finally.
Ziel zerstört!
Thank you very much.
I knew it was two because I saw them.
Just a little more effort, and victory will surely be ours.
Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten! Charlie, 5, zerschlagen! Charlie, 5, bestätige Koordinaten! Aufgepasst! Abgefeuert!
Oh man, this gets my little black heart pumping. Reminds me to be. Come on.
We're controlling most of the zones.
Okay, Bobby. God damn it. I'm all alone. And there's probably birds, huh? Oh, I couldn't see it. Oh. Goddamn bastard. Hmm? Yeah. Like my light tanks.
Wir wurden getroffen!
We have one getroffen. Ah, there's somebody. Of course, there's somebody trying to murder from murder from some stupid exploiting position.
A little more effort,
Right
and
here.
victory will be
Ah,
ours.
right here. Need to make a dash for it. Where is he? Okay. And pin properly, yes, exactly what I meant.
Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten! Charlie, 5, niederhalten! Charlie, 5, bestätige Koordinaten! Aufgepasst! Abgefeuert!
Attention to the designated grid zone.
Rohladung geladen! Wir wurden getroffen!
Damn it, dude, you damn. How many, The second time that guy has aircraft that murders me. It shouldn't be goddamn possible, huh? Okay. that. Can you hear me now in the microphone? Activating as hell. Huh? That guy is the trapped out there. He can see me from that position. Yeah,
Ziel
thank you.
getroffen! Ziel ausgeschaltet!
Damn bastard. Go take it! My glasses are fucking up. The insanity of war. The storm is.
Attack the D point.
Let's keep the pressure on. Victory
What's the
is
storm
close.
is that a missile thingy? Yeah. Problem is with they're lightly armored and I only got armor penetrating shit. That does not really hurt. Really. Yeah. And he saw me all the way. That's the cheater. Definitely. Twice aircraft, twice no. That's a cheated bastard.
Enemy forces
You're
have
gonna
captured
save
a
this
zone.
shit.
The Allied forces have captured a zone.
Air 320. Height 500 meters.
For sure. That is ridiculous.
Air 300. Height 400 meters.
He was just sitting in the middle of that shit.
Artillerieschlag auf Koordinaten. Delta 4. Niederhalten.
Delta 4. Bestätige Koordinaten. Aufgepasst. Abgefeuert.
Somebody giving away his position. Please shoot again. I could not see where you were at. Okay. Aircraft, you better go kill that cheater guy.
Sie wurden getroffen.
And that was from, yeah, Catalina. Let's take this. drift. That was not a clean play. But yeah. This is so slow.
Ziel ausgeschaltet!
You know, I get back closer to the microphone. This all takes away.
Victory.
Yeah.
350. Height 1,000 meters.
Let's do the map.
Feindliches Sprengfeuer in eurem Sektor.
Okay. Yeah. Fine. God damn it. My glasses are fogging up. The rage is building inside. What did I get here? What's that? Tank. The most important part. Did I get... No. The sanity must stop somewhere. Please give me some. Oh, give me some. Yes. Accuracy, please. 9. Oh, there was something here. Agility. Well, we'll take it anyways. No. So what do we do? Dear listeners, how's the sound? You need to be so bloody close to the mic, I think. Oh. And suddenly it's way too loud. Or because it's me mumbling. So, I think we will do a game later tonight. We're playing War Thunder, and we're gonna take one Enlisted as well. The problem with Enlisted is that I'm so excited. It's difficult to speak and give commentary to my stupid stuff at the same time. But it is the means of playing these games on the internet is for me to speak, for me to practice. It gives me, it's more realistic because I know it is used somewhere for myself on the internet. Then it's you get it. It's pretty strange talking to yourself without any purpose. So, my dear friends, dearest friends. So let the raging begin. Total raging. I cannot, because this is fast paced. This is. And this is, I like my mortars like I like my women, or explosive. You know what? 160, 160, 165. That is. How is that for them apples? Say hello to your mother. Oh, look at that aircraft. 109, 100 and Oh, I'm too
Получи,
slow.
падла! Получил гранаты!
Just give them hell. We shall grease the treads of our tanks with their fat. Oh, who was it that said that? I think it was Patton actually.
Прикройте меня!
Oh my god. I got what was that? Mommy? I'm so cold. Oh,
Блядь, попали!
somebody has called this a goddamn it's a tank. Jesus, huh?
Перезаряжаю!
Look at that. He's there, he's shooting this direction. Huh? He anti-tank up there. Run, Forrest. Crouch, and I can't crouch and run at the same time. Crouch running. Come on. What you got here? You got any nice stuff on your poor buddy? No.
Our boys are capturing the position.
Oh Jesus, run the next lock. Hello buddies. Aye! No! Yeah, cracking. Bastard. Oh, Jesus. Very nicely done. Take that, you bastard. Right in the kisser, huh? Aye! Yeah. Okay, got that. First game ever with the aircraft. Let's see how I'm. And I got rockets, and I got rockets are shooting with R, and I got that 7.62mm Plinger. But the good part is I don't think it is overheating that much. What's the speed indicator? How much do we go down? Oh, there's thrust. 55. We're gonna die bomb.
Умри,
Oh
крысёныш!
my god. 4 kills, huh? Who's shooting at me?
Умри, ублюдок!
Unfortunately, there was a slight mishap with the
Ура!
let's build some ammo.
Our forces are in position.
Get the cover. Lay down, man. We're gonna.
Captured the control point.
We're gonna.
Move out to the next one.
Я его снял! Попал! Я попал! Сдохни уже! Умри! Точно в голову!
Okay. Let's get a shower that we gifts, oh great leader. Ah! Hoorah! There's nobody on it. They're just getting injured. Ah. Hoorah! Yeah, exactly. Jump, jump, jump. Who said the white man can jump?
Короче, я перезаряжаюсь!
Who's got a gun to give me? Oh, Jesus, yeah, I know. This, yeah, run, run, run. They killed my bodies, bastards.
Попал! Я попал!
So close, man. Danger close.
На тебя, гад! Граната!
Oh, there's a car.
Ну, наконец-то!
Our forces are taking the control point.
What the hell is this? Oh my god, that was mine.
Точный в голову!
Ah,
Точный в голову!
what do you got for me? That's mine. That's not. I can go in here, huh? Come on! Okay, I quite like my aircraft. That's for sure. And not to 1,000. We need to go like. We're gonna bombard the. Yeah, I think. Gears up. Something like this. Look at that.
Our forces are in position.
It is sure if he's as sure as a fly boy. Ooh. An old man can't have fun. Come on. Oh no. I forgot. It's not like flying in War Thunder. It is definitely not. It's not the same. It's not the same. I need to have made my buttons to the same as aircraft in War Thunder. That's for sure.
Our boys are capturing the position.
There's a bad boy around here somewhere. Very close. Okay, we need to. I think. Oh, didn't make it. That sucks. Where is he? Oh, there he is. Okay. My favorite weapon. For sure I didn't. Now you can actually give me coordinates, you bastards. 150, etc. You can see it from here. 150.
Our men are capturing the position.
There he is. 149.
Excellent. Move out to the next control point.
Fire for effect, I think. Two. Here. We're gonna. That's 224-ish. Can see 218. So what I need to know now, how is to locate the anti-air who is the role? Who has the role of shooting down anti-air tanks? Somebody is either artillery or come on, buddy. One size fits. Yes. Hoorah! Only one dead. Bring out your dads. Yes. I think I'm going to exchange the. So, if you press here, rearmament. Now I shall not touch the. Can I shoot it down?
Our forces are taking the control point.
It's totally wild in the controls. Oh Jesus! Lost control.
Умрите, ублюдки!
It's a bit wobbly, this aircraft, and come on, turn around.
Our forces are in position.
Go to resupply, what?
Our boys are capturing the position.
Okay. I'm just gonna jump out. I think I got
We've already captured half the enemy positions. Continue the assault.
Come on, open! Oi! No, too late. Jeez. Okay. Okay, I want to. What do I want to do? I want to. I want to build one ammo. That's job. Get a little bit closer to the action. close, huh? Is that say hello to your mother? That's why. There. There.
Our team started capturing a control point.
Никакой пощады!
It's a tank. Where?
Our men are capturing the position.
Shot all of us? Yeah. Okay. Well, say hello to my little friend. This one. Take this one. $125.
There's just one position left. Keep the pressure on.
90. No, it's way too slow. Is that me actually? So we're gonna shoot the rest off towards this target here, 214. Quickly! This old man can do it like this. 96. 214 again.
Еще хочешь?
Yeah. You got a nice weapon for me. That's not nice. Hoorah! Let's zigzag a little bit here. There's definitely. Who's shooting? There's a sniper. Can't see him at the moment. Let's go in here. Buddies, come on. Let's go backward. And we have a tank on the left side. Circle around, circle around. They will never expect that. Checking out bastards, you know, rooftop Koreans. We all know those guys. Very protective of their furniture. Huh? Oh God, where are you? There you are.
Точный в голову! Этот готов! Сдохни уже!
Oh my God, I threw it. Away.
Получи, падла!
what can I have? I can have the aircraft again. Well, at least with the aircraft, we only lose like one guy. But we are down, really down our reinforcements. If I can get, I will go for the tank. But they cannot go down. Oh, where did the tank go? Why did they shoot? There's no. Ah, 10 kills, huh? Oh, don't touch that goddamn W. And I got no more spare. 15 seconds. Look. We just need to live. Come on! No, we're gonna lose in 5 seconds. That's but anyways, that was a
We lost this battle.
very, very good and funny battle. What's the time now? What's the time? Since it's already morning. 13:08. And I got orders from my wifey via SMS. That's bloody handy. So I'll just need to put some laundry in the dryer, I think, and take a small wee. So this is the aircraft guy, isn't it? No. What do we want here? Run speed. Definitely. And that kneeling there. What do we want? Stable aiming. Here we definitely want that. Turning around fast. And that was basically it. And now I'm just going to go to the laundry room, doing laundry. Sorry, you cannot come with me. Ah! Peace and quiet. Damn fucking glasses. Actually, I am a little bit excited how the sound is now, because yesterday it was just like mumbling, barely audible. Anyways, be right back, as they say, as the cool kids say. Oh, better have the SMS with me, so I can obey she who must not be mentioned. I am back. Oh, I forgot to turn on the goddamn dryer. So, we are almost ready. Oh, little sip of the old Pepsi Max. And there you go. You're not blind, son. Your father is just ugly. That was bloody fun. Aircraft. You know, that is outstanding gameplay. So, please give me Russian. Is that Russian? And I don't think there is. But I'm German. This is a mistake. That's definitely a mistake. I don't like. I need to have a bazooka. And what? Also medical. Go to hell. I don't they have. The
Los, Leute!
There I was, newly fledged.
Our team is at control point Delta.
Okay. Look at the
The
load
enemy is
down there.
taking control point Alpha.
We need to. I want that building here in front of me. So. Oh shit! I can hear something.
We've captured Delta. The enemy is taking control point Alpha. The enemy is at control point Bravo. Allies are taking control point Echo.
You know, it's a war crime to hide in a church, but I don't think you can call this a church anymore. You know, a religious place, and all my buddies have survived.
Control point Bravo has been lost. Control point Echo is under our control.
Just let's take a look. I don't think this is gonna be. Oi!
Our team is at control point Charlie.
Oh my god! I could also just walk up the stairs. I'm pointing in the wrong direction. This is the direction. You know what, guys?
Control point Charlie is under our control.
Stay there, please. I'm killing everything before I even set up as a sniper. And I'm pointing the wrong direction. Okay, boys. They're gonna stay there until I'm too far away, which is a good thing. There is some action here. What's happening here? It's they're overrun before I even have fired a single shot off. Let's go down here. Okay.
We've lost control point Bravo. Control point Alpha is under our control.
Yeah, I can see there's a prayer on it. Say, cry me some salty tears and say hello to your mother. Oi.
The enemy's capturing control point Alpha.
All this smoke here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Can't even move. Ah! Stupid. So stupid. So stupid does. Do I got some proper pew-pews here? Look at that, I'm stuck again. Must be my keyboard.
We've taken control point Alpha.
Need faster reaction time here. Where do I buy that?
Control point Alpha has been lost. The enemy's lost half its reinforcements. Well done, boys.
It's true what they say. This it really, this game really favors. This game really favors active playstyle.
The enemy has taken control point Bravo. We've captured all the control points. Hold them. Keep it up.
So, okay, we got this one. Passport. Magafleisch. Run towards the enemy.
Keep it up. They're about to retreat.
Smack goed al. Nog. I can hear
habe einen umgenietet!
We've taken control of the territory. Victory!
Not even in the. Let's watch the time before it gets critical. Lasted half an hour. Okay. We are. I think we're doing. What are we doing? Na 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 na. Let's. What do we got here? Aircraft? Yeah. Okay. It's going here. Okay. Let's go and replace that one then. Those. Oh. Yeah, we have to give him something to shoot with. And he needs to have something explosive. And what's this? No. We need to. He's got the parachute. He's got that. Then I will choose this. He will be fast on the feet, and fastest shift, and be a great assassin. Something like that. Let's just check out the research, huh? What am I actually researching? You know what? It is tough. What can we do? 50-pound bombs. Yeah. Let's change that. How about these guys? What are they doing? Oh, you know what? He is definitely going to do that. And the American, he's researching that, but you know what? He will be researching the sequel with that, because that is fun as shit, man. I'd rather play aircraft than tank in this game anytime. So this is the last hooray for this game. that on French. What do we got? We cannot choose aircraft. Yeah, why not? This sucks. Perhaps we'll just look over. Yeah, it's really wanted that. Oh, secondary gun?
Our boys are capturing the position. Our forces are taking the control point. capturing the position.
Shoot somebody.
We've already taken half of the control points. Keep up the good work.
Survivor.
Ich werde dich kriegen! Endlich!
Our men are capturing the position.
Somebody is holding the aircraft.
Ja, ist das toll! Sie haben mich!
Come on, boys. There's just one control point left.
Ich hab eine! Ich hab eine! Lade nach! Hey, meine Schachtel ist leer! Lade nach!
Sniper in the open. everybody was just waiting for that. There would be no game.
Our team started capturing a control point.
We need to get the hell out of there.
Ja, der hat's abgekriegt!
Our forces are taking the control point.
Ah, ich bin getroffen! Ich brauche Deckung! Lade nach!
He was looking hard this year.
Broke through the enemy's defenses. We won.
He needs to. He's been faster climbing. Oh, then he's not gonna do anything more there. One. He's gonna. Better. And better than that. Well, I think that was it for this day. More somewhere else, sometimes else. Bueno.